Let's go 18. Let's go 18. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Huh? Huh? Decision's already been made, right? Decision's already been made. Let's go, Trav. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go, 2. Let's go. Let's go, Mike. Come on. Hey, so Ralphie, you know, you'll just be in a one by one, right?
Always to the right.
Always to the right, and you just take it back. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Decision's already been made. Decision's already been made, right, Bam? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, Big Jack. Let's go, baby. Let's get it on, baby. Let's get it on. Let's go. Have some fun today, huh? Have some fun. Let's go, big dog. Let's go, my man. Let's go. Let's go, Brick. Here we go, Hank. Come on, Hank. Here we go. Here we go. Hey, decision's already been made. Decision's already been made, Juju. Huh? Let's go. Let's go, Jam. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Have some fun bouncing around out here today, huh? Have some fun bouncing around out here today. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, big dog. Let's go, Caleb. Here we go. Here we go. Deuce, 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 deuce. Let's go, Rocks. Let's go, Rocks. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Home. Let's go. Give me some. Come on, big guy. Let's go. Big man's game. Big man's game. Let's go, TB. Let's go, baby. Let's go, Jot. Here we go. Here we go. Let's go, Rez. Huh? Let's go to work. Let's go to work. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Decision's already been made. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. 36. Give me some, baby. Here we go. Here we go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's have some fun today, huh? Let's go. Bring some juice. Bring some energy. Show how much you love football. Show how much you love football. Huh, 18? Bam! Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Here we go. Let's go, 10. Come on, baby boy. Let's go, baby. Huh? JB.
What up, what up?
JB. Let's go, Smoke. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Have some fun out here today. Let's go, baby. Bounce around, have some fun. Let's go, baby boy. Big guys. Big man's game. It's a big man's game. Here we go, baby. Got to win in the trenches. That's what this is all about, okay? 8 o'clock tomorrow night, we need to win in the trenches. It's a big man's game.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Guys, give me one thing you want in life. One thing you want. $1 million, coach. I hear money. I hear money. I hear success. Good health. Good health. Longevity. Respect. Let's go back. Respect is what? Earn. So that means it's a process. It's a working process. Money is what? Earn. There's a working process. What else you said? Success. How you can accumulate success? Earn. So everything we talked about, we want, you got to work for, right? Yes, sir. So why should I have to come out here and energize y'all and fire y'all up by working? And if you want what you want, you know you got to work. It's understood, right? So let's go out here today and go hard. Because it's what you want out of life. It's what you want out of this opportunity. It's what you want for this day. So let's go get it. Yes, sir. But let's go unified as a team. Let's help each other. Let's work each other. Let's push each other. We good on that? Yes, sir. Break it down on 49. Yeah.
Hey, work on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Work.
Breaking it down, bro.
Ready? you go, coach. There you go. High point, high point. Finally, Cole. Living up to that vert.
Don't kill the fucking drill.
You gotta vision yourself over somebody's head top. Oh, that's definitely not happening. That's definitely not happening. Okay, it's okay. Take it easy on Weaver, coach. I seen it.
Going low, we got a bend.
I think you imagined that.
Ready?
I heard that looked good.
We got 2 cameras rolling. Neither of us, we didn't see nothing.
I heard that, but ain't. My boy said he heard that bit.
Man, knees together. Catch it in front of your kneecap. Gotta bend your knees. Drop the weight. Nose over toes. Joe, in and out. Accelerate. Accelerate. Accelerate.
No,
Accelerate. 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 Out of the break. Ready.
Damn, Isaac.
Snap. You understand me? Snap your fucking elbows. Let's go. There it is. Down lower, Leonard. Low, baby. Force yourself to bend. Good. Good. Good.
Now I just picking my knees up.
Nice. Nice. Coach, you heard that, right? You hear it every fucking
I
time.
didn't see it, I heard it.
Yeah. There it is.
Listen, you see how he's striking your ass? You should get your lick back.
Good D. There it is.
Wow, Julius. I'm 95%.
12 out. Hey.
Little white part? Yeah.
You broke the clock. I'm
It's
pretty
coming out of the scholarship.
I'm pretty accurate.
You were aiming through the uprights, not at the clock.
What can I say?
Actually, no, there's a white spot on that one. Yeah, you didn't break it.
Yeah, I'm good.
That's the transmitter.
Yeah. Did I hit it?
Yeah, you nailed it.
Yards to spare. 43? 12 down. 40.
Alpha alert!
I know Nine's about to go out.
All right, Coach Lee. Yes, sir. Man, bye-week road game, but we finally back at home.
Finally back at home. You know, it's good to be back at home and get some home cooking. You know, sleep in your own bed. We got a late game, so we on track as far as preparation. You know, we had a great walkthrough today. You know, we'll get at the hotel and get the mental part done as far as getting the guys dialed in, understanding responsibilities. But Coach, you know, he put the word out. It's time to go on a run. You know, and it starts today. You know, it starts today and carries in tomorrow. You know, one game at a time. You know, go 1-0 before we go. You know, the rest of the game as far as finish 8-4. That's the goal.
As you said, good to be back at home, but with a late kickoff, how do you keep the guys focused all Saturday day long?
You know, with meetings, you know, we got to make sure that coaches do their job as far as keeping guys intact. You know, we got things we got to be mindful of because there's still classes going on. So we have study halls, things of that nature. So they with academic advisors, you know, have guys that deal with mental things. So we have things set aside with Coach Prime, meet with those guys that has issues dealing with life events, you know, things that goes on in their life. He want to make sure you have those conversations leading up throughout the week and also leading up to the game. So we have those things set aside outside of football. You know, tonight we'll get in, eat dinner, and then have a great team meeting with all the coaches, get up and say their part. But it's a process. You know, I think we have a great way as far as approaching the game. You know, with a late game, you just got to keep the guys dialed in and make sure they off their feet and getting rest and be ready to roll on Saturday at 8:30.
We coming.
Oh, we coming.
Coach.